Everyone tells you to watch movies, read books, including me, and like practice, interact with people. Apart from doing all these things, there are other ways that can help you to learn English faster. These are the basic ways that will take time. But if you want to learn this language faster, you can practice in different ways and just give time. So if you are willing to give time to this language and you want to learn English not in monotonous way, in some different ways, some enjoyable ways, then watch this video, because in this video I'm going to tell you some amazing ways. Okay, so first way is through meditation. See, I know it sounds weird to you, still it is very helpful. What you have to do in this is that you have to sit at one quiet place, sit comfortably, fold your legs, and then you have to close your eyes. Okay, and then you have to pick some topic. It can be your favorite birthday, your favorite memory, any topic you can take. And then what you have to do is that you have to, in your mind, think about that place, all the incidents that happened there, everything, and you have to narrate it to yourself like a story. So why am I telling this to do in meditation way, in meditative way? Why? Because when you sit comfortably at one place, you do not get distracted. Your eyes are closed, you are only focusing on one thing. And believe me, 10 minutes every day can change your like English to next level, because what you are doing here is you are dictating it. You are narrating the story, that particular incident, to yourself in English, and you are the only person who is listening it, right? So you're doing both the thing. And believe me, just try it even for 5 minutes. You just try it today, then decide yourself whether you want to do it or not, and I bet you will do it again, because it is so relaxing. It will not only relax your mind, calm your mind, it will also give you a confidence. Okay, next one is mirror technique. I know I have talked about this enough, but this time it is different. I have told you already in the beginning only that these exercises will not be regular normal exercises. I am here with crazy ones. Okay, so what you have to do is that you have to watch an English series, web series, any movie, anything. Okay, and if you watch English TV shows, English web series, English, other things, other movies, so you don't have to watch the movie, you can skip this step. What you have to do is to pick one character, your favorite one, which you idealize. See, हम सबका एक कोई ऐसा, जब हम देखते हैं तो कोई एक favorite character होता है जिसको हम idealize करते हैं, जिसके जैसा हम बनना चाहते हैं, जिसके जैसा बोलना चाहते हैं, right? We like it. So that you have to pick one character, and then what you have to do is that you have to create one imaginary scene, or you can take the scene from the movie or the TV show that you have watched. You have to behave, not only behave in terms of speaking, I'm saying, you have to just, if you want, you can write the dialogues also on the paper and repeat it, right, like we do in shadowing. But if you don't want, what you have to do is that you have to stand in front of the mirror, or without mirror also is absolutely fine. You have to create that scene, you have to speak the dialogues as if somebody is speaking in front of you, somebody is having the conversation in front of you. You have to respond like the character from the movie will respond. Okay, so it is fun, it is very much fun in doing than listening. So just try it once. This is something I literally like a lot. I know people might find you crazy for doing this, so don't forget to close the door so that nobody is watching you when you are doing this craziness in front of the mirror, right? So yeah, so you have to do this like some people like the romantic scenes, some people like drama, some people like when people are taking stand for themselves. So you can recreate these scenes where you will be the character you chose for yourself, and imagine somebody is having the conversation and you are saying the dialogue. This will not only boost your confidence, but it will give you clarity of speech. An amazing tip from me is that do not worry about the mistakes you're making. Just go with the flow, just say it. Here our purpose is not to be perfect, but to practice to be perfect. So keep this thing in mind. Next one, and the last one, an amazing one, and I can 100% be sure that you have not heard about this technique before, because this is a special one and I have researched about it quite a lot. Then I got to know. Then see, this is sense description. So what you have to do in this sense description one is that you have to take one topic again, like very simple, very random, like cup of tea, right? Because I like tea a lot. Okay, so cup of tea. So if you have chosen the topic cup of tea, within 1 minute you have to explain it in terms of all the senses. Like, so using all five senses, you have to explain how does it look like, sound like, feel like, taste like. Okay, so you have to explain it in the form of paragraph and then say it out loud. So you will be amazed to see that how your vocabulary is expanding without even looking into the dictionary. So these were three amazing, absolutely weird, I agree to that, but very helpful. And believe me, if you'll start practicing, you're serious, you'll see results within 1 week. So I'll highly, highly recommend you to try it. And after trying it out, come to the comment section and explain your experience, because I have researched about these and I know these things work. If you genuinely want to learn some language, you have to put effort. Without putting effort, only thinking about it, that too in your mother tongue only, will not work at all. So if you want to make your English fluent, if you want to speak English fluently, you have to go extra mile to do it, right? Because nothing comes free. You have to do work, right? Okay, I'll meet you guys soon in next video. Okay, bye.